So thank you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have been away for a while, but now I'm back. People have been requesting me to show them a lot of things. There are some songs that I need to play them. There are other want to know about the transpons, and there are other who wanted to know how to set the piano. So the first thing I will show you how to set your piano. If you are using any piano, the settings are the same. So you have first to come to your piano. The first thing is to power on. When you power on piano, it's at default setting, as you can see. So you can hear the sound. This is the sound of a grand piano, but you want it to sound like a Catholic song. So what you need to use organ. So you have to come here to your setting where you have to press your voice setting. This is the voice. When you press the voice, you have to come here and look for organ. Where is organ? Organ is number what? Organ is number 13 here. So you look for your organ and then you just right there, number 13, cool organ. So as you can listen, you can hear that now our piano sounds organic. It sounds like a Catholic piano. So as you can listen now to a piano, the next thing is doing what? You have to set your dual. Your dual is here. This is the dual is here. This button, as you can see, your dual is here. You have to long press it. So you long press and then you can set your dual. So if I click once, now our dual is there. You can hear our sound changes. So when I can remove the dual sound, our piano sound like this. But if I click the dual sound, now our piano is going to sound like this. So now you can hear there is another voice that is added to our piano. So after setting your voice, there's a lot of setting. You can use your strings, you can use your bright piano, you can use a bright organ. So it depends on the sound that you want your and how you want your piano to sound like. So it depends even with the song. If the song have more feelings, you are supposed to use the string sound. The string sound usually sound like this. We go back to voice and then we look for strings. It's number 54. I just searched there, number 54, number 54. So let us search for 54 number. Yeah, so our strings sound like this. hear the string how it sounds, and you can also use your dual on strings. So the dual of the string, we are using something called what? Dark Moon. Without, with. So after you have set your sound and you are good to go, you have set your sound there. So you have to look for a style. For a style, you can look for a style like the dance style, number 73. You can come here and type number 73, and then you look for a drum style. You can use the BLG or the BL grass. BL grass sound like this. So you have to tap your tempo after the beat, like like you can tap your tempo tapper according to your song. So you can tap like utukufu kwa Mungu juu. So you can listen to a tempo. So a drum sound like that. Let's go back to our organ, because this song doesn't have feeling. So you can use your organ. You can use your organ, number 13. You can use your organ and then dual. You can find another style of a beat. You can also use a style called Ibiza, or this reggaeton. That is called reggaeton. So you can use it also. So I know guys, you have learned something in this lesson. So thank you for watching this lesson, and don't ever forget to subscribe to this channel. You can share this video to your friends and relatives, because my videos are very helpful. And thank you for the people who have been supporting me, so by watching these videos and liking and commenting. So thank you. This was a request that I can show you on how to set the piano, but I will just build up another many lesson on how to set with different type of keyboards. And I'm using this keyboard. This is just a simple keyboard, but I'm going to show you even the setting with more complicated keyboard, like the church keyboard. We are going to visit the church one day and we are going to set the piano. So thank you guys, and God bless you. Until next time.